What drives the evolution of tomorrow's automotive technologies? What do we expect from the future? The journey to innovation demands technical expertise, vision, and an unwavering commitment to progress. For 25 years, Oil Lube Systems has been a trusted leader in the garage equipment industry. Serving all vehicle segments, OLS provides cutting-edge solutions to meet the ever-evolving needs of the automotive industry. We are Oil Lube Systems, your partner in shaping the automotive trends of tomorrow. Founded in 2001, OLS began with a humble vision but a bold global perspective. Today, as an ISO 9001:2015 certified company, OLS is recognized as one of the most trusted names in automotive solutions. Celebrating 25 years of excellence, we stand as a testament to innovation, quality, and reliability. With state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities strategically located in Faridabad, Bangalore, and Pune, Oil Lube Systems gives a robust sales, distribution, and after-sales network in India, ensuring that our customers receive seamless, reliable, and comprehensive support at every stage of their journey. Our world-class facilities boast advanced capabilities including in-house design and development, high-precision laser cutting machines, CNC punching, bending, and pressing machines, a 7-tank chemical treatment setup for superior finishes, ultra-modern painting and powder coating lines, multiple assembly lines with online quality inspection systems to ensure unmatched quality and consistency. Our expansive product portfolio for design and development of modern workshop includes garage equipment for four-wheelers, two-wheelers, tractors, trucks, and commercial vehicles. Body and paint shop equipment, container workshop, mobile service vans, a revolutionary concept we pioneered in India. Customizable for on- and off-road servicing, these vehicles, including towing and delivery vans, offer complete workshop capabilities for automobile, electric vehicles, construction, mining, electronics, and various other industries. Over the last 2 decades, we've manufactured and supplied over 2,000 mobile service vans to leading OEMs, serving markets in Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, East and West Africa, and the Middle East. Anticipating the future, OLS has introduced specialized equipment designed to meet the unique demands of electric vehicles, EVs. Our EV-centric solutions include electric vehicle chargers, battery testing, and advanced diagnostic tools for EV powertrains. We are committed to enabling the transition to sustainable and electrified mobility with innovative solutions tailored for the next generation of vehicles. For over 25 years, our unwavering philosophy has been rooted in delivering tailored, cost-efficient, and world-class solutions that meet the unique needs of our clients. from pioneering innovative designs to introducing groundbreaking concepts that redefine industry standards. Oil Lube Systems is steadfast in its dedication to enhancing the quality of life for users at every step of their journey. Celebrating 25 years of excellence, we are Oil Lube Systems, solutions for the automotive trends of tomorrow.